Hey girl! Let me tell you about my new favorite mascara. It's the 100% pure fruit pigmented ultra lengthening mascara in the shade Blueberry. And let me tell you, it's not just any blue shade. It's pigmented by actual berries. How cool is that? This mascara is simply amazing. It lengthens and separates my lashes without clumping or smudging. And the best part is that it's free from all those nasty petrochemicals like coal tar and Teflon. Plus, it's water resistant, so it stays on all day long. The wand is slim and hourglass shaped, which makes it easy to coat every single lash. And the formula is loaded with healthy conditioners that nourish and keep my lashes looking great. I love the Blueberry shade because it's fun and playful, but also subtle to use every day. It's a great way to add a pop of color to my look without going over the top. Overall, I would definitely recommend the 100% pure fruit pigmented ultra lengthening mascara in Blueberry. It's seriously a game changer, and I would never think about going to my old mascara.